Hello there. Preparing for your UK theory test? You're in exactly the right place. In this video, we'll guide you through the key questions, the easy-to-miss road signs, and the essential tips that help you pass first time. No fuss, no confusion, just clear, straightforward explanations that actually make sense. If you find this useful, do give the video a like, subscribe, and switch on notifications so you never miss an update. Right then, take a moment, get comfortable, let's begin. Question 26. What does this sign mean? A. Route for trams. B. Give way to buses. C. Route for buses. D. Give way to trams. The right answer is A. Route for trams.
Question 27. What messages are given by circular traffic signs that have a blue background? A. They give mandatory instructions. B. They give temporary directions doing a diversion. C. They give directions to car parks. Or D. They give motorway information. The right answer is A. They give mandatory instructions.
Question 28. Where would you see a contraflow bus lane? A. On a one-way street. B. On an urban motorway. C. On a roundabout. D. On a dual carriageway. The right answer is A. On a one-way street. Question 29. What does this sign mean? A. Bus station on the right. B. With flow bus lane. C. Give way to buses. D. Contraflow bus lane. The right answer is D. Contraflow bus lane. Question 30. What does a sign with a brown background show? A. Minor roads. B. Tourist directions. C. Primary roads. D. Motorway routes. The right answer is B. Tourist directions. Question 31. What does this sign mean? A. Beware of trams. B. Level crossing. C. Tourist attraction. D. Beware of trains. The right answer is C. Tourist attraction. Question 32. What's the purpose of triangular-shaped signs? A. To give warnings. B. To give directions. C. To give orders. D. To give information. The right answer is A. To give warnings. Question 33. What does this sign mean? A. T-junction. B. Turn left ahead. C. Give lay. D. No through road. The right answer is A. T-junction. Question 34. What does this sign mean? A. Multi-exit roundabout. B. Place of historical interest. C. Risk of ice. D. 6 roads converge. The right answer is C, risk of ice. Question 35. What does this sign mean? A, level crossing without gate. B, ahead only. C, level crossing with gate. D, crossroads. The right answer is D, crossroads. Question 36. What does this sign mean? A, roundabout. B, mini roundabout. C, ring road. D, no vehicles. The correct answer is A, roundabout. Question 37. What information would be shown in a triangular road sign? A, road narrows. B, keep left. C, minimum speed. D, ahead only. The right answer is A, road narrows. Question 38. What does this sign mean? A, cycles aren't allowed. B, cycle in single file. C, cycle route ahead. D, cyclists must dismount. The right answer is C, cycle route ahead. Question 39. Which sign means that pedestrians may be walking along the road? The right answer is D. Question 40. Which sign means there's a double bend ahead? The right answer is B. Question 41. What does this sign mean? A, give way to farm vehicles. B, give way to trams. C, wait at the crossroads. D, wait at the barriers. The right answer is B, give way to trams. Question 42. What does this sign mean? A, humps in the road. B, entrance to tunnel. C, soft verges. D, hump bridge. The right answer is A, humps in the road. Question 43. Which sign means the end of a dual carriageway? The right answer is D. Question 44. What does this sign mean? A, tall bridge. B, end of dual carriageway. C, end of narrow bridge. Or D, road narrows. The correct answer is B, end of dual carriageway. Question 45. What shape are traffic signs giving orders? The right answer is A. Question 46. Which type of sign tells you what you must not do? The right answer is A. Question 47. What does this sign mean? A. No entry. B. No parking. C. No road markings. D. No through road. The right answer is A. No entry. Question 48. What does this sign mean? A. Side winds. B. Adverse camber. C. Airport. D. Road noise. The right answer is A. Side winds. Question 49. What does this traffic sign mean? A. Danger ahead. B. Service area ahead. C. Slippery road ahead. D. Tires liable to punctures ahead. The right answer is A. Danger ahead. Question 50. You're about to overtake. What should you do when you see this sign? A. Move to the right to get a better view. B. Hold back until you can see clearly ahead. C. Overtake the other driver as quickly as possible. D. Switch your headlights on before overtaking. The right answer is B. Hold back until you can see clearly ahead.